to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are starting the Christmas shopping process. So we're about to go inside Hobby Lobby. They got all the Halloween stuff. Look, there go plaid stuff right there. Excuse me, y'all. I think I want a tree like this. $2.99. I like the flocked looking trees. They're cute. I really like this one, but it's way too tall. Definitely don't want a green tree though. And I think that the color scheme that I want to do, y'all already know. And don't let them have some light purple ones. I see the dark purple ones, but I think the blush pink with the dark purple might be cute though. Ooh, decisions. Ooh, there it is. I think those are gonna be the tones. I like that because I got all the gray in my house. This obviously is in the way. So I have the silver and all the gray stuff too. Let's see what she thinks about that. What do you think about this color scheme?
Oh, that's pretty.
Right? It has all my tones. It has the pink and the purple and the silver. The blue is like a little accent, huh?
The blue is hot. Oh, look at blue.
That's so cute. That's so cute. I like that. I do. And I want a flocked tree.
You don't want that every year?
I don't know. First of all, is it what, 7 feet? How tall of a tree do I need? 7.5 feet. It's like so tall.
You want a real fat tree or you want a little skinny tree?
I don't know.
Okay.
This one?
I mean, it looks like realistic to sit in like a corner or somewhere in your house, in your living room, where it's not taking up a lot of space.
Mm-hmm.
And you can still put all your little decorations on there. It's super big, you know. In a house.
Right. This one is cute. And it's cheaper.
Is that the price of the sale first? $119?
I guess so. Because it was $199. Yeah, they might. They don't got that at Walmart, girl. They might. Well, I found my ornaments way up there. Now how am I supposed to get those down? I mean, they do got this sitting right here, huh? So I could just help myself. I could just help myself. Oh my god. My gosh, these are so pretty. Oh, and then I gotta pick a wreath for the door. We definitely need a wreath for the door. What kind of topper would you put on that white tree? Look at this tree topper. That is so glam. What do you think about that? My tree's too small. This is like making such a statement. What is this lady looking at, y'all? Look at these little cheetah spots. I watched the Cheetah Girls the other day, girl. I showed it.
That's gonna be.
It's cute. You want that one? And you want that one?
Yeah. And can I have this one too?
You can have whatever you want.
Ooh.
Whatever you like, we do for you. I'm kidding. Y'all seen that video?
You looking for the one?
Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. So they're on sale. Everything is on sale. So it's gonna be $11.99. That's not bad. And she is just, I said she can have whatever she wants. She going crazy. Now what else I'm getting? I want to go to Paris. Will you go to Paris with me?
Look at this. This is pretty.
Will you go to Paris with me? Not tomorrow. 2 years from now. I need to catch up. I got basic balls in here, and you got all these fancy bedazzled balls in here. What is this about? Where's mine?
This is called Christmas Glam.
Oh, well, where's my glam? Because my glam... Ooh. Are you going to put reindeer on your lawn this year?
Maybe.
Get out of here.
What this is?
This lady is crazy, okay? Look at my hair, y'all. What? We got product all in my hair. It's okay. The edges is laid. You gotta do what you gotta do. Worry about it later. Because they're laid and slayed, okay? What if we get in Walmart and they have all better stuff?
They're not. This is my favorite store in the whole world. They're not gonna have nothing better than this. They might have some stuff that might compare, but no.
We're gonna keep you updated. Believe that. It's the tree toppers for me. I like this one. That don't match though. I said I like this one, but I don't think it matched though.
Wow. You got all the colors in it. Oh, get the bigger one though.
The bigger one? You think so? I'm thinking about this little baby tree. I'm trying to make sure it don't get swallowed up.
It said it was 7 feet, didn't it?
But it's just skinny.
Let's just go and see. We'll stand up there on that one.
Why is she always trying to have me do stuff? Oh my god. I was like, am I gonna be able to get down?
Go get the little one, and I'll be the judge.
Okay. Okay. Why are we doing this today? Okay, no.
No, it looks like a baby. It's too small. Yes, that's it.
I like this one. $69.99. I can't breathe. How much is the big one? Is that how much wreath is supposed to cost? This says $150.
Is it 40% off?
Yes, they're all 40% off. Are y'all serious though?
Yeah, I'm not DIY mine. You're more than welcome.
Oh my god.
We can do it together.
I'll be getting one of these right here. $29.99.
That ain't even a wreath.
No, whatever.
It's just a decoration.
It's gonna be a wreath today.
Oh, this one is cute.
See?
How much is that?
$50.
No.
Yo, this is so funny. I don't know if I need a wreath anymore.
Let's see what's over here.
Oh, it's a queen. I want that. Yes, it goes with my house. Oh my god. It goes with the house or whatever. Where do I hang a stocking? Where do I hang stockings?
Hang it from your
Boss lady.
hang it from your cocktail cart.
Oh yeah. Christmas and alcohol. That's hilarious. Just kind of cute. So they got a little basic wreaths over here for $15, and then you get 40% off of that, and then I gotta buy some more sticks to go inside of it. But I want to wreath. But I really wanted the flocked one. Play too much.
You can get your own spray and spray it today and so.
Oh, okay.
That's all you gotta do is get some snow and wherever you want it.
Great. Great. Look at this. Where do I put this at? How did we run into my aunties at the store? How did we not know that we was in the same store this whole time? So we're headed to Walmart. All right, let's see what Walmart's talking about. $169 for that one. $159 for that one. That one is $69 right there. Yeah, I like that one. It's a little wider. It's a little wider. Right. Because their skinny one, this look like the same tree. This the same one. This the same one, right? I don't like this one now. I like that one.
That's kind of not open.
Yeah, it look crazy right here. Well, I don't know. My two options, $10 price difference. Which one do I get? I don't know. So I'm actually getting 2 Christmas trees for less than the price of the one at Hobby Lobby. So I'm happy that they had the one that I wanted. It's literally the same tree. Now, what kind of stuff y'all got though? Snow. Huh?
You don't need no more of that now. Oh, for your wreath?
We gotta see if they got them here. We definitely did our thing with the tree topper because that would not have been it. So Walmart has $9.98 wreaths, but they also have that one. So I think I'm gonna get that one because it has the pine cones. Oh, these are the hooks that you put them on. Okay, yeah, I need one of those for sure. Oh my God, one with the little jingle bells on it. Okay, so I got both wreaths. One for the front door, one for the patio door. Now, season's greetings, Merry Christmas, or fa la la. We need 2. Which one doesn't make the cut?
Merry Christmas.
Period. That's what I thought too. Because I'm like, Merry
Fa la
Christmas.
la is cute.
I know, that's why I was like, I need to have that one. Okay. Ornaments to go with the light purple. It's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. She got some hooks. I can't get it. You can do it. No, I can't. What is it stuck to is what I want to know. I quit. Right. Period. Okay. It's hot. Just dumb.
Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Remember my mirror dilemma when I was looking for that gray $60 mirror from Walmart?
Right there.
Now they want to have them. They got one. My mirror is better though. Period. Where? Oh, there is another one. Mine is better. It's fine. And we made it all fit. Look at that. Yes. Successful Christmas shopping trip. So I'm in the car now, right? Because, oh my God, wait. It still looks like I have snow everywhere, y'all. But anyway, I'm in the car. I just came out the store and this man is looking all up in my car. And I'm like, why is this man so close to my car? And why is he looking inside my car? He said, is that Christmas stuff? When I walked out, and he's just laughing at me. And I'm like, yeah, it's on sale. Haha. Can you get away from my car, please, sir? Y'all, it is so crazy. But yeah, so I have everything in the back. So now I'm on my way home. And I'm going to be taking all this stuff upstairs. I just look so crazy because I just have stuff all over my face and everything. It's hot out, you guys. This is ridiculous. So yes, we're gonna end this video once I get home. All right, so I finally got everything upstairs. It took me 3 trips, but we made it happen. Okay, so I got my stuff laid out right here because I'm getting ready to film a haul video for you guys. So make sure you go ahead and check out the haul video. I'm gonna show you exactly what I picked up. There were a few things that I didn't actually vlog while we were in the store that I ended up grabbing, so make sure you check out that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy Vlogmas, okay? Happy cozy season, happy holiday season. This is like my favorite time right now. And even though it is way in October, I definitely had to get started early this year because I always let Vlogmas sneak up on me, and that's just not what we're about to do this year. So I'm feeling prepared. I'm feeling very excited about it, and I love the stuff that I picked out, and I can't wait for y'all to just continue watching to see what I got and how I set everything up. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.